Hello, welcome to the Academy. In today's video, we will be doing a full review and walkthrough of Quillbot. Quillbot is an AI-powered writing assistant that has features that allow you to do things such as paraphrasing and summarizing your content. And they also have built-in grammar and plagiarism checkers. Most people know and use Quillbot because of their paraphrasing tools, but they recently launched a new feature, which is called the co-writing feature. And this actually allows you to do research and write your content. So let's go ahead and take a look at all of the features included in Quillbot. If you want to go ahead and use Quillbot, I'll leave a link in the description below this video. They have a completely free plan and you can get started without having to pay any money. But if you wanted to unlock all of the features included in Quillbot and have no limits as to the amount of words in which you can paraphrase or summarize, then you need to go ahead and upgrade to the premium plan. So as you can see on the free plan, you have 125 words in the paraphraser, only standard and fluency modes, 3 synonym options, 1 freeze word or phrase, 1200 words in the summarizer. On the other side, in premium plan, you have unlimited words in the paraphraser, standard, fluency, expand, shorten, formal, simple, and creative modes, 4 synonym options. So again, you have a lot of features included in the free plan. So I would recommend starting free, and then if you need to upgrade, you can always go ahead and do so. But as you can see, the monthly plan starts at $9.95 per month. Or if you wanted to save some money, you can get the yearly plan for $50 for 12 months. So that's actually not a bad deal at all, especially if you're writing a lot of content. Let's get started by taking a look at the paraphrasing templates included in Quillbot. So again, it's very simple. All you need to do is enter the text, the original text, in the left-hand section and click Paraphrase. And then the Quillbot AI will give you some new content, just depending on the type of content in which you entered and the mode in which you choose. So let's go ahead and copy some content that I have on this website and paste it into this section, and we're going to leave it standard. And let's go ahead and click Paraphrase. Okay, so my first sentence goes like this. The city of Zurich is the largest in Switzerland, and it is known for being a major financial hub in Europe. And Quillbot has rephrased that to, the largest city in Switzerland and a significant financial center in Europe is Zurich. I actually like this a lot better than my original content, so this is pretty good. So let's go ahead and read the second sentence. Even if you're not a part of the business world, Zurich has plenty to offer to visitors. Here, Zurich has a lot to offer tourists, even if you're not involved in business. That's okay, we can definitely use that. And the last sentence goes like this to start. Zurich is located right on the edge of Lake Zurich. And here, to begin with, Zurich is situated directly on Lake Zurich's edge. This is just one example. You'd want to go ahead and try some different examples to see, maybe you'll get better content just depending on the type of content in which you're trying to rephrase. And another cool feature that's included in Quillbot is that if you want to rewrite your content, if you look at the sentences, there's different colors for words. So you can actually go ahead and hover. So if you went ahead and you click that section, you can see that there's different synonyms for that word. So if you don't like the output that you get, you can always go ahead and click on that specific word, find some synonyms, and make it a little bit better or a little bit more customizable for the content in which you're writing. Let's go ahead and do one more example while using the paraphrasing templates. So I'm going to go ahead and change the mode to a creative mode, and let's see what sort of content we can get from Quillbot. So the original sentence goes like this. The city of Zurich is the largest in Switzerland, and it is known for being a major financial hub in Europe. And this is the rephrase content that we got from Quillbot. Zurich is the country's largest metropolis and a major financial center in Europe. So this is actually really good, and it is very creative compared to the original content. So I'm really impressed by the paraphrasing templates included in Quillbot. I highly recommend that you go out and you try it for yourself. Again, you can try it for completely free. I'll leave a link below. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the co-writer feature included in Quillbot. So essentially, it's an all-in-one writing tool that allows you to paraphrase, grammar check, get writing tips, and even search the web without switching tabs. So this would be really useful if you're doing some research and you need to find some content around the topic and you're trying to construct your blog post. So all you have to do is search up the topic in which you're doing some research for. And once you do so, you go ahead and click enter. And you'll be able to see all of the top sources for this specific research in which you're looking for. And if you wanted to read more, you want to go ahead and click Get Content. And you'll be able to go ahead and go through all of the content in which they've written about this topic. So this is where you'll be doing your research for your specific topic. Now, if you want to go ahead and you really like that first paragraph, you could go ahead and copy it and paste it into this section on the left-hand side. Now, the cool thing about Quillbot is that you can actually go ahead and paraphrase this content within the same section. And just heading back over to research again, you can see all of these different sources for this specific topic. And actually very impressed by how quickly they pulled that source. This is how you can paraphrase your articles using Quillbot. The link for Quillbot is also given in the description. You can check it out right now and you'll be able to avail all of the features. Stay tuned and have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching.